Well guys, time to sit down after all the hard work and have a coldie. Now, last time I saw you and I was having a beer, it was a bush chook. This is the stuff, man, this is it. If you don't drink this, you don't know what awesome beer tastes like. I absolutely adore this. It's the best beer I've ever had, and I've had a lot of different types of beer, I can tell you that. I've tried all sorts. Mexican, Spanish, American, Australian, English, all sorts, from all over the world, and this is the best I've ever had. Beautifully brewed wheat beer, Redback. Now, I don't know why it seems to have fallen out of popularity, but the only place I can get it these days is Dan Murphy's. It's about $50 a carton, but it's worth it. A lot of really crappy beers are around the same price, and this is awesome. I can't wait to get this one down me. It's been a long time since I bought these, simply because they're hard to get. So, it's old school. When you want to open it up, you need an opener. It's not one of these twist tops. And you'll note that sits on my keyring, so I am ever ready when it comes to getting these things open. Now, locally made, Matilda Bay Brewing. Get some of this into you. I promise you, you will not regret it. This is really awesome beer, and I'm going to enjoy this. Oh man, nothing tastes like that. Absolutely nothing else tastes as good as that. This is beautiful beer. I don't have any affiliations with them. Usually I tend to buy cheaper beers because I'm not rich, but for special occasions, and this little trip out to test the camping trailer out for the first time is a very special occasion. I got myself a carton of this stuff. I brought 6 of them with me, and I'm pretty sure they'll all be gone by the time I go home. Man, I love this stuff. Oh.